Gone are the days when print media and all other sorts of traditional campaigns were effective in grabbing customers. Today, social media marketing has become a powerful way for businesses of all sizes to reach prospects and customers. But which social media platform may suit your marketing campaign? Designing a sustainable paid media strategy begins with understanding the benefits of each social media platform and what each of them can provide for your business marketing goals, as it is a critical part of success for every business and can be a sustained growth driver. Evaluating different platforms is surely worth your time. In fact, the right media platform can help you generate purchase intent and inbound quality leads and grow your brand awareness with great ease. Hi guys! In this video, we will bring you an evaluation of different potential social media platforms you can work on for promoting your products and services. With so many social media platforms available, deciding on one can feel overwhelming. So, if you want everything sorted out for you, make sure to watch it to the end. Also, take this moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay in touch with more videos from our channel. The best thing about social media is that it offers businesses all over the world the unique opportunity to speak directly with their clients and potential customers alike. In addition to that, the fact that you have access to various social media platforms is surely a blessing of an era. But it all comes down to what impact each of them can pose on your marketing. In fact, your business, audience, and brand all take effect on the platform you choose. The most successful social media brands include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, and LinkedIn. Different demographics are attracted to these three places. Facebook attracts people of all ages. Instagram users are typically younger. On the other hand, rich college graduates prefer Twitter. LinkedIn is helpful for many professionals and graduate students looking for jobs or for hiring purposes. From a bird's eye view, Facebook's stats of users have increased significantly from Instagram, the second most popular social media network. Currently, Facebook has more than 2 billion members globally, with 48% of them over 35 years old. On the other hand, Instagram has over 1 billion users, with 59% of them being between 18 and 29. LinkedIn has 550 million users, though it has been around longer than Facebook and Twitter. Today, we're going to analyze them separately so that you know the difference between Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and choose the one based on your priorities. Number 1. Facebook. In terms of brand recognition and the total number of users, the most popular social networking site on the internet is Facebook. It has surely become a great platform for connecting people from all over the world with your company. It offers you an array of options in terms of sharing content, from upload texting, links to material, images, movies, live videos, events, for sale goods, and whatnot. Facebook helps you create a community more than a shop. You can create a basic Facebook profile or a group or a page and may give behind-the-scenes looks at your company, new service deals, and more. The cherry on top is that it only takes a few minutes to set up. And once you've uploaded some photographs, you can start lobbying followers from Facebook users. With that being said, videos make up most of the content that goes on Facebook. And in fact, businesses have even reported that videos and lives give the highest reach in contrast to other types of content, such as photos, links, and status updates. Status updates are at the very bottom of the statistics, most probably due to the lack of visual content. Number 2. Instagram. Instagram is the second largest social media platform, though it is mainly dedicated to photography and videos. From its launch in 2010, it immediately became popular, but it has time and time again troubled content creators by barely changing its algorithm several times. It has in fact become a challenge for marketers by no longer allowing posts to be seen in chronological order. In addition to that, unless you don't clearly label your posts as an ad, you cannot add clickable links to them, giving them a far less valuable source for growth momentum. But if you're a business focused on fashion and lifestyle services and products, this network can come in quite handy. Without a doubt, it has a larger following in metropolitan areas, helping you with the railing of your products centered around digital technology. Nevertheless, it isn't to suggest that you can't succeed if you're not a youthful, trendy brand. It just means that you have to play differently here. Be more creative with your photography and keep in touch with the latest methods, and are good to go. Number 3, LinkedIn. LinkedIn generated the highest visitor-to-lead conversion rate at 2.74%, almost 3 times higher, 277%, than both Twitter, 0.65%, and Facebook, 0.77%. HubSpot. With an increasing number of professionals researching and tapping into insight on how to better themselves and their companies, LinkedIn is the best platform for B2B marketing strategy. LinkedIn is, without a doubt, the most efficient platform for quality lead generation. The highlight of the platform is that it allows users to connect with business professionals and identify possibilities based on their industry, title, firm, job search and recruiting, and other characteristics. LinkedIn Groups is one of LinkedIn's most useful products for businesses. If you are a business, you can create groups unique to your niche or industry and ask others to join. In general, this means you will be more successful on LinkedIn if you target corporations as clients rather than consumers directly. As you step into the platform, you notice it is teeming with decision makers and influencers. And if you have a clear message and direction for your brand and are able to get people's attention, you can surely generate sales. Now that we have separately analyzed the dynamics of different platforms, it is important that you answer certain questions before hitting any of these, such as, what is your targeted audience? Or who are you trying to reach? Which platform is your audience using the most? What do you want to post? Knowing about your audience is extremely crucial in the choice of your social media platform for marketing. Who do you want to attract? Do you want to distract them from another business or industry? Or are they a group of people? Where do they live? How old are they? Are they mostly women or men? If you're primarily targeting young-aged individuals and women and are very creative, head towards Instagram. On the contrary, if you're an association and aim to reach members and get your message out to a greater audience in less time, your top priorities should be Facebook and LinkedIn. So, since we're dealing with the audience, you may want to choose a platform your audience is most interested in. This can only be achieved by carrying out market research. This will help you determine who your audiences are, what they already know about you, and where they get their information. Moreover, the type of content you want to post also determines which platform is the best for you. What is the message you're trying to portray? How can you incorporate a photo or graphic? For instance, if you're a real estate agent looking to show off a new listing, Facebook and Instagram are the top visual mediums. If you are a large company and want to post hirings, LinkedIn can be the leading asset for a job posting. The bottom line is that there is no such thing as a global golden rule. People are unique beings who respond to different forms of social media posts. In fact, you wouldn't believe it, but some of the most effective social media campaigns were mostly based on gut feel. The important thing to understand is that it takes time to determine the right platform. And if you follow the above rule, you will most probably land on the right option. But even then, get out there and don't hesitate to experiment with different post types and platforms to determine which ones work best for you. So this was all from our side. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share your experiences and views in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up before signing off. See you in the next video.